All right, hey folks, Will here. I want to show you how you can manage your collection on EarthWonders and share your collection with other folks. So first of all, let's look at the Collections tab, and you can see some of the existing collections that are there. Very nice collections. And on each of these items, you can look in the items, you can make an offer. This is configurable. The owner can turn that off. The owner can also say that they're anonymous, so if you don't want to share that you own an item, that's just fine. You can see the provenance of the items. You can learn about the items in these sort of knowledge pages. You can see who else collects the items. You can see sales data. So if you want to see wolfenites that sold for between $1,000 and $4,900, you can see what those are. So we're really trying to make this sort of educational place, and primarily for you to display your own items. So again, I'm on someone's collection page. There's a couple views. You can go to a table or a grid, and you can filter all sorts of things. You can filter by color, or we can filter by what else? Species, locality, price, size, all sorts of stuff. There's another feature called previous collection. So as things move from you to someone else, you will find them here in your previous collection. If you're selling things, those will be in the shop. And if you want to just see it all together, that's the all. So for myself, I have a My Collection section. And here's my collection. And I have the same tabs, and I also have a collection manager. In my collection manager is where I can go to add things, but also you can just hit add specimen here. So I'll show you how that works. And here's my collection manager. It's sort of behind the scenes your user profile management, and that gives you access to other links that are also here in the user menu, but maybe easier to find. So bookmarks, contributions, you do a lot of contributing. You can set up alerts for searches. So if new things come up, if you're looking for a nadenite or something, you can set up an alert for that, so that you get an email when a new specimen shows up on the site anywhere. So let's add something. When you add something, the first thing is, are you the owner or not? If you're not the owner, you can't create a listing. Now, if you are the owner, you get an option to create a listing right there. So, yep, I'm the owner. The sort of things that you can say when you acquired it, what the price was, if you want the price public or not. So you can use this to track your own prices without exposing the price to anybody, or remain anonymous. That's fine. And then you've got the media, and so I want to say upload a big Heliodor. So my media is there. Species, that would be Heliodor. Heliodor. You can search the locality, put that in. The rest of the sort of things. If you want the item to be public or private, if you want to accept offers, yes or no, add a description. So this is very easy. Another very cool tab is provenance, so you can add who you got this one from. I got this from Crystal Classic. There we go. You can make some notes about it, like Denver show 2025, etc. This was in 24. You can put the publications, if this was published anywhere, maybe multiple publications, and create a listing. Then hit publish. So that's it. Pretty straightforward. And as you go through this, you will then have your own collection page. And excited to see what you do with it. Cheers.